Hi, welcome to my channel Programming Knowledge by Jagadish. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about data structures stack applications. In the previous, we discussed about what actually a stack and what are the operations to perform on the stack and how to implement a stack. Now here, we are going to discuss about what are the different applications of a stack. Means where or in what areas we can apply the stack data structure. Now come to one by one. Well, in the beginning, the first is nothing but stacks are used in order to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. This is the one area, that is conversion of infix expression to postfix expression, where we can apply the stacks. And similarly, we will apply the stacks, we can use the stacks in order to evaluate the given postfix expression. Then next, one more application is to implement recursive procedures. Stacks are used in order to implement recursive procedures. That indicates the recursive functions or recursive operations are done by using of stacks. And the one more is nothing but stacks are also used in compiler designs. These are nothing but different application areas where we can apply or we can use the stacks. Now, before going to discuss about the conversion of given infix expression to postfix expression, first of all, we must know what is meant by the infix expression, what is meant by the postfix expression, and also prefix expression. Here, we just go to specify first types of the expressions. So types of expressions, first of all, expression, what is meant by the expression? Expression is nothing but a collection of, a combination of operands and operator. The collection of operands and operator is nothing but the expression. Here we are using the arithmetic expressions in three ways. We are representing the arithmetic expression in three ways. Those are nothing but infix expression, one more is prefix expression, and one more is postfix expression. Prefix, infix, and postfix are nothing but different types of expressions. Come to the first one. As usual, in normal real world applications, we are using the mathematical expression as the infix expression, which indicates the operator is placed in between the operands. Here, the operands are nothing but 2 and 3. So, in between 2 and 3, we are placing the operator that is nothing but plus. Similarly, prefix expression. In the prefix expression, we are placing the operator before the operands. Placing the operator before the operand that indicates here, plus is the operator. We are placing the plus operator before the operands 2 and 3. It is the operands. It is not 23. It is 2 and 3 are the operands. Similarly, for the postfix expression, we are placing the operator after the operands. Here for this, here the plus is the operator. We are placing that plus operator after the operands 2 and 3. So when the operator is placed in between the operands, then that is infix. When the operator is placed before the operands, that is prefix. When operator is placed after the operand, that is postfix. This is the way how we just go to represent the expressions, arithmetic expressions. Now we just go to discuss about the way how we are converting the given infix expression to prefix and postfix expressions. Now come to the first one. Here we are going to specify one particular expression as a infix expression. Here operators are placed in between the operands, which results as infix expression. Now I am going to convert this infix expression to prefix expression. In order to convert the given infix expression to prefix expression, simply I just go to add some parentheses to the expressions like this. The innermost parenthesis has the highest priority. So the highest priority will use to the innermost parenthesis expression. Here, this innermost parenthesis expression is nothing but 5 minus 3. We are converting to prefix, means we are placing the operator before the operands. So which results as minus 5, 7. Now, this minus 5, 7 acts as one operand. Now, this 3 is one operand and minus 5, 7 is one operand. Again, here there are two operands, and in between two operands, there is the operator into. So again, according to converge infix to prefix, we are placing into before 3. So which result as like this. So now into 3, the minus 5, 7 will act as one operand. This entire one will act as one operand and 9 will becomes as one operand. So now what we can do is, again we are placing by before this particular one, that is nothing but into. So the result is nothing but by into 3 minus 5, 7, 9. This is the one operand and 2 is one more operand. So now again, to convert prefix, again we place plus before 2. So the entire result expression is nothing but like this. Plus 2 by into 3 minus 5, 7, 9. This is what actually, this is what actually the result of conversion of infix to prefix. When you remove the parenthesis, the result will be like this. Similarly, when we just go to perform the conversion of given infix expression to postfix, the result will be appears like this: 2, 3, 5, 7 minus into 9 by plus. We perform the same thing. We simply place the operator after the operands to make the infix expression to postfix expression. That is the only difference between prefix and postfix. If you place before the operand, it is prefix. If you place after the operand, that is postfix. Now we go to the next one. That is nothing much. The algorithm which is used to convert infix expression to postfix expression, which indicates, it defines a procedure to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. Now we just go to discuss about the procedure, how to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. Initialize an empty stack well in the beginning. Make sure that the stack does not contain any elements. Initially, we just go to work with an empty stack. Now, whatever the things that we are going to perform, repeat the following process until the end of infix expression. We are going to perform the following operations until the end of expression. Now come to the first one. We just go to read the input token. Input token means input element or operand. If it is operand, it may be represented as constant or a variable. And if it is the operator, simply we just go to perform the following operations. Now consider, if the token is left parenthesis, as we already know, left parenthesis are nothing but this one. If the token is left parenthesis, push it onto the stack. We just go to push the parenthesis onto the stack, and whenever we encounter the right parenthesis, simply pop and display the stack elements until left parenthesis is on the top of the stack. Whatever the elements are there in between those things, we simply pop those elements and display. And then lastly, pop the left parenthesis also, but we cannot display that left parenthesis. So that is what actually the operation that we can perform when we encounter right parenthesis. Apart from this, if it is the operator, do the following. What are those means? While the stack is non-empty and the token has higher or equal priority, then simply we just go to specify, pop the stack top element and display. Whenever the operator has higher priority than the operator which is there in the stack. If it is not like so, means whatever the operator we encounter, it is a lower priority, simply push onto the stack. If it is high priority, then only we pop and display. If it is lower priority, push it onto the stack. And these are related to the operators. Now, when we encounter the operand, simply display that operand onto the screen. And then when with the infix expression is reached to the end, simply pop and display all the items in the stack until unless the stack is empty. This is what actually the procedure related to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. Now we'll explain with an example. Now look at this. Here we just go to explain with an example. Now this is nothing but the infix expression and this is nothing but the postfix expression. How we are going to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression means now well in the beginning stack is empty and postfix expression also empty. Now we are scanning the expression from left to right. The first one is nothing but 7. So now stack is empty. The 7 is the operand. So simply display onto the postfix string. The next minus. Now it is the operator. When we encounter the operator, simply push the operator onto the stack like this. Then next, as usual, the output postfix string is nothing but 7 only. Now the next is nothing but the left parenthesis. So when we encounter left parenthesis, it is the operator. So push it onto the stack. The output postfix string is same as it is 7 only. Then next 2. 2 is the operand. So simply we display that 2 as the postfix string. We cannot insert into the stack. Stack consists only same as it is, that is minus and left parenthesis. Then next into. So into is the operator. So again we push it onto the stack and the output postfix string is same as it is 7 2. Then next 3, which is the operand. So we cannot push onto the stack. The stack consists the same elements minus left parenthesis into, and the output string is we are appending 3 to the 7 and 2. So the result is 7 2 and 3. Next plus. Plus is the operator. So whenever we are inserting one operator onto the another operator in the stack, then we are going to compare the priorities of these two operators. If already highest priority is in the stack, if already highest priority is in the stack than the recent one, then the highest priority operator will be popped and displayed onto the postfix string, and the lowest priority operator is going to push onto the stack. According to that, now the stack consists minus left parenthesis and plus. So plus completed. The next one is nothing but 5. So 5 is nothing but the operand. Simply place it as the postfix string. Still, this particular stack consists minus left parenthesis plus. Then next, right parenthesis. When we encounter right parenthesis, we'll simply pop all the operators that are there in the stack until we reach left parenthesis. So now here, in between left and right, there is only one operator, that is plus. So we pop plus and display as the postfix string. When we pop plus in the stack, there is minus and left parenthesis. Please pop left parenthesis also, but we are not going to display the parenthesis. Then in the stack, there is only one operator, that is minus. Now, after close parenthesis, right parenthesis, the next is nothing but into operator. So again, into is the operator. We are going to place the operator into the stack. While we are placing the operator into the stack, if the stack consists lowest priority operator, then we can place the highest priority operator on the lowest priority operator. If it is already consists lowest priority, then we can place highest priority on lowest. But the reverse is not like so. If already highest priority is there, if you are trying to place lowest priority, then pop the highest priority and place lowest priority. But here the lowest priority is in the stack. So now place the highest priority onto the stack. The stack consists minus into, and the result of this postfix string is 7 2 3 into 5 plus, same as it is. Next, again left parenthesis, place into the stack. The result is the same as it is. Then next 8, it is the operand, so we cannot place in the stack. We append it to output string. So 7 2 3 into 5 plus 8. Then next minus. So place in the stack. Now the stack consists minus into left parenthesis, again minus. The output string is same as it is, 7 2 3 into 5 plus 8. Then next 4, which is the operand. So place on the output string, 7 2 3 into 5 plus 8 4. The stack consists the same earlier elements only. Then next by. So operator. So place onto the stack. So minus into open parenthesis, that is left parenthesis, minus again by. So here the stack consists the lowest priority. We can place highest priority on lowest priority. The remaining output string is same as it is. Next 2, which is the operand. We cannot insert into this. So we simply append it to postfix string. So 7, 2, 3 into 5 plus 8, 4, 2. This is the output string up to 8. Next, close parenthesis. That is right parenthesis. When right parenthesis comes into the picture, pop all the values until left parenthesis we encounter. So first pop minus and append onto the output string. Then pop by append onto the output string. Then pop minus append onto the output string. Then pop this particular one, that is nothing but left parenthesis, but we cannot place as the output string. Then the next. After this one, we encounter null, which indicates there are no symbols to scan. So in the stack, we left with into minus. So on the top into, so first pop that one and then next minus. Now stack is empty, which indicates this is the result of the given infix expression to postfix expression. This is nothing but a procedure to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression. Thank you.